1 plus cos 2a, 2 cos square a, 2 cos square x dx. Take root 2 common, root 2 square cancel, cos x dx. Integral of cos x value, sin x. Integral of cos x, sin x plus c. Bit number 6. Bit number 6. See, indefinite integral of 2 sin x. Listen, with respect to cos x. See, dx means integration with respect to x. Dx means integration with respect to x. So, indefinite integral of 2 sin x with respect to cos x. With respect to cos x. This is the given problem. Integral 2 sin x, derivative of cos x minus sin x dx. Take minus 2 common, sin square x dx. Sin square x dx. 1 minus cos 2a, 2 sin square a. We apply these two formulas number of times. 1 plus cos 2a, 2 cos square a. 1 minus cos 2a, 2 sin square a. So, there is a sin square a. So, 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. 2 cancel. Minus of integral of one value x. Integral of one value x. Integral of cos x sin 2x by 2. What is 2? Coefficient of x. Integral of cos sin 2x by 2. What is this 2? This is the coefficient of the x. Coefficient of the x. So multiply with minus 1 by 2 sin 2x minus x plus c. 1 plus 2 tan x into tan x plus secant x whole power 1 by 2 dx. Whole power 1 by 2 dx. First multiply the brackets. 1 plus 2 tan square x plus 2 tan x secant x. 2 tan x secant x. Next step. 1 plus 2 tan square x. Write tan square plus tan square. Tan square x plus tan square x plus 2 tan x secant x whole power 1 by 2 dx. What is its use? See, 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square. Square power 1 by 2 cancel. So integral secant x plus tan x whole square whole power 1 by 2 dx. 2 cancel. 2 cancel. Integral of secant x log mod secant x plus tan x. Integral of secant x log mod secant x plus tan x. Integral of tan x log mod secant x. Integral of secant x log mod secant x plus tan x. Integral of tan x log mod secant x. Actually this is the answer, but given option is the second option is the right answer. Why? Apply log m plus log n. Log mn formula. Log secant x plus tan x into secant x plus c. Given this answer, log m plus log n, log m into n, log m into n. Eighth bit. Integral 5 step of 5 minus 3x 5 minus 3x by x minus 2 dx. X belongs to 2 by 3 comma 1. 2 by 3 comma 1. All of you listen. All of you listen. First calculate step of 5 minus 3x in the given interval. Given interval is a 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means approximately 0.6 comma 1. So take a suppose 0.7. Take any number in this interval 0.7. So 3 into 0.7. 3 into 0.7 equal to 2.1. 5 minus 2.1 equal to 2.9. So its step value is 2. So integral 2 by x minus 2 dx. In this given interval, take any value. Take any value. Calculate this value. We get approximately 2.9. 2.9 step value is 2. So in this given interval, step value is 2 by x minus 2. This 2 is this one. Integral of 1 by x. Integral of 1 by x. Log mod x plus c. So k value 2. K value is 2. Bit number 9. 2 less than x less than 3. Modulus of x minus 1 plus modulus of x minus 2 modulus of x minus 3 dx. All of you listen. First, all of you listen. Given modulus x range is 2 to 3. So take approximately 2.5 in between 2 3. Take any value in between 2 and 3. So let it be 2.5. Listen. 2.5 minus 1 1.5. 2.5 minus 2 0.8 0.5. 2.5 minus 3 minus 0.5. So in this interval, this is the positive value. This is also positive value. So this is the negative value. So remove modulus, take plus symbol. Remove modulus symbol, take positive value. Remove modulus symbol, take negative value. Write down. Integral plus x minus 1 plus x minus 2 minus x minus 3 dx minus x minus 3 dx. Integral x minus 1 plus x minus 2 minus x plus 3 dx. Plus x minus x cancel. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel. So integral x dx x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. X power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c.